Hey friends, Running Kimono here. So, today's video is to talk about this app called Flash Food. This is not a sponsored video. I stumbled across this app and I gotta say guys, food between 50 to 90% off at the grocery store. Oh my gosh. We were complaining about food prices last week and I think this might be a secret weapon. So where did you hear about this? So this is a new thing, and yes, I did see the Flash Food freezer at my local Meijer, and if you have a Meijer, you have the Flash Food. Hopefully your region has it. But have you seen these goofy like refrigerators when you walk out of the store? I certainly have, and I was curious about it. So this young lady, Cosmic Deal Heather, go and follow her, and I will leave her video where she's actually doing a demonstration of this app in the notes. Go and subscribe to, because she has the type of channel that you'll just marathon really quickly because she has really good content about reselling. And I used to be a reseller, and she does vintage stuff that's very interesting to me. Anyhow, long story short, she was talking about it and how she was finding stuff through the app to source on Amazon. And I was like, oh my gosh, that is freaking genius. So anyhow, back to the food thing. If you have a Meijer, Flash Food has partnered with Meijer and it's there. So how cool is that? If you do go stop by Heather's channel, maybe in the comments write, Kimono sent me, and just say hi or something like that. But go and subscribe. This lady makes really good videos and she deserves a lot more subscribers because she's really, really cool. Cool chick. Okay, back to the Flash Food app. So these are the grocery stores that are working with it. And if you look at the top left-hand corner, we have Meijer. And I have seen this goofy freezer and I was wondering about it. I'm like, what is that? Well, that's what it is. Family Fare, they really need to get their act together and start filling up their freezer. And then it's also in Canada. So a lot of these are Canadian grocery stores like Loblaws, Giant, Tops, Martin's, Price Right, Giant Eagle. Those sound pretty American. Martin's is an arm of Family Fare as well. But these are the grocery stores. And if you're wondering too, should I download the app? These are the specific states where those the app is participating here in the United States, and it's all over Canada as well. So it's kind of like Midwest, the Rust Belt, those areas that's part of this. And I hope this app goes like from coast to coast, where if you just get onto it and then start seeing the savings, you'll be like, holy smoke. So let's look at some food at the local Meijer. So we have the Panera Lobster bisque for $2.74, so it's 50% off. I think a lot of the food, from what I've looked at and snooped at, is stuff from the deli that's like 50% off, and you wonder like, who the heck would ever buy lobster bisque? Well, I will with the Flash Food app. We have some Johnsonville brats, original price $4.99 a buck. I mean, that's something you can buy 10 of, throw them in your freezer, and have brats for like forever. These little sides that they have from the deli, 50% off for $2.24. Like, you can see the really big savings here. Kind of a healthier little Lunchable by Paw Patrol for your kids for $1.69, like from $2.99 to $1.69. That's some pretty significant savings. Of course, with the Best Buy of September the 2nd, I mean, I wouldn't buy 100 of them with that date, maybe just one or two. But some of the stuff that you can freeze, I would totally get a lot of it. Like this bison, for example, in this area, people just don't buy this. They buy hamburger meat and that's it. So like something like this, if you're making some specialty meatballs, yes. We also have the Meijer sausages. So these are the, till September the 5th. So I wonder if it'll drop even more before then. But $2.24, stupendous price. These breakfast sausages that are so yummy, 99 cents. Yes, I would buy all of them. So if you are like a Midwest shopper, absolutely. And then they also have the veggie boxes anywhere between $5, and I've seen them as low as $3. I mean, you could take all of this, bake it in your oven, and then puree it in your food processor and make a really delicious and hearty soup. So we've been talking about different techniques and how to save money with food, because groceries have gotten crazy expensive as of recent. Check out this app and go and see Heather's video. She does a demonstration and it is really a fantastic video, linked at the end and in the notes. Catch you guys in the next one.